John is writing to us saying that is it the right time to enter the share of transformer and rectifier or any other share better than this one on the same field, and he wants to invest for 1 to 2 years. So currently the stock is trading at 364 odd levels, and in the manufacturer of power furnace and rectifier transformer. So in this space, do you actually recommend John to, enter this particular counter? I'll come to you, Mahesh, for the fundamental.
I think he can enter here, but as the stock is falling down from a higher side, so still some downside can't deny due to market pressure. But yes, levels are attractive. He can enter here. 50, at least 50% fund can be deployed here, and rest can be wait if come downside till 320, 330 zone. But yes, he can invest in these levels.
All right. And Rajesh, on the technicals, how is it faring on the charts?
Yeah, so I agree with Mahesh sir. He can add 50% around current levels, and then we see a strong support somewhere around 330 to 340, which is somewhere around weekly 89 EMA. So that would be a key level to re-enter average on the lower side.
Okay, well, that's the view for transformers and rectifiers that we are seeing. Moving on to the auto space, now the whole sector was in focus after their February numbers. Now, the next query is from Shrikant, and he's from Bengaluru, and he has about 122 shares of Tata Motors at a price of 70.22. Wants to understand whether he should hold or sell or should add more to the position that is there. Firstly, Rajesh, I'll come to you on a technical check on something like a Tata Motors.
So definitely at this level, he should not sell. It's in a oversold zone and a prominent name. So if we see in October 23, the stock had started rally from the levels somewhere around 610 to 600. The rally which moved up to 1000 levels. So now the stock is moving to its origin point of previous rally. So nowhere to sell at current levels. In fact, if it's possible, he can average it. Might not see the similar kind of performance, but on a bounce back towards 680 to 720, that would be the levels to recheck and to reevaluate if he can hold or to exit.
Any other names that you're seeing, Rajesh, in terms of in the auto space that you are constructive on currently?
See, the counter from the four-wheeler that is more promising is M&M. It has been a outperformer. Recently, it has dipped, but now it's placed on around strong support. So, as compared to Tata Motors, M&M would be the bet that would outperform in the near term.
Okay, and Mahesh, coming to you on the fundamental check on this counter. Now, it was a mixed set that we have seen for this month in terms of where the auto sales were. Tata Motors, we've seen about a downtick in terms of 9% where the passenger sales were. Want to get your outlook on something like Tata Motors, and if you have any other preferred plays in the auto space?
I think the Tata Motor is low P in this space. Today it has touched, I think, 52-week low. So stock is already bottom done, and I think a little lower could come further if market facing some selling pressure. But yes, if anyone holding from a lower level, then the 740 could come, 740, 760 level could come in near term. Then they can reevaluate. From auto sector space, M&M looks good. Numbers of monthly numbers are coming good, and they're all the segment are doing well. So I think M&M could be a good pick for longer term horizon. But currently, all the auto space are facing some selling pressure. Then this stock could face some selling pressure, but that would be a buying opportunity. And another one is a TVS Motor. I think a TVS Motor, if any downside coming in TVS Motor, then they can one can look for investment for 2650 to 2700 plus level for a 1 year horizon. So TVS Motor, I think looks good for 1 year horizon or longer for the same.